Okay, you always say expresses your feelings. So here's my trying my best. I think you are an amazing person. You devote so much and I agree an amazing person you devote so much and energy to things you are passionate about and you bring such joy into every room you entry you are the only person so constantly reminds me how beautiful life is and I am internally grateful for that not talk to me want to silver the case beautiful we can fix things together so please just end me message okay good morning beautiful as the sun's rise so does my love for you you are the light granted me day and the warmth that fills my heart today is a new chance to create memories, laugh and cherish every moment together. You are the melody that makes me life a sweetie. Secret. Have a wonderful day, my love. Sometimes words are not enough to expressing the best feeling. I want you to know that you are the like a dream. Come true to me and with you in my arms. I feel so complete and happy. Thank you for caring, for choosing and for loving me beyond conditions. I will not lie to you. I will not lie to, but I am not all right. My wardle is dull and there is no light. I love made my wardle so bright. Since you have left, there is nothing right. I am not the same person I was. I do not want to focus on feeling anymore. You do not know I am broken to the core. I love you so much. I give you my all. Loved you from my heart, and indeed you were my part. Nothing is the same as it used to be. Nothing is just left to see. I am vulnerable to this pain with silent tears in vain. Baby, you are on my mind right now. Love you, baby. You are so cute that I hope so. Do not mind if I love you forever. I'll hope you and want be able to let go. I am party happy about it. Your love is like a beautiful dream that I never want to wake up from. You are my everything, and I am so in my love with you. I love you more than words can say. You are my heart, my soul, and my everything. Your love has transformed my life in the most wonderful ways. I wake up every morning with a smile on my face, knowing that I have the most amusing person by my side. Your love is the most precious thing in my life. It has the power to brighten my day and fill my heart with joy, knowing it that I can make you smile is the greatest gift. I could never ask for. Our love is extraordinary, and there is no other love like our in the world. I feel as if I have won the lottery with you. Someone who is so unique and Michaels, how makes my life and my world a thousand times better just be being there when I look at you. Now that I have needed hit the jacket, all you have to do from my heart is to do be with loving, caring person. You are my together. We can do so much and help each other realize our dreams because we all have a special love. Our love is the long lasting. In end, we been together quite a while. I love you for so many things. Your voice, your touch, your kiss, your smile. You expected me as I am. I can relax and just be me even when my cracks come out. You think the right quit you let me be with you there is nothing to rest. You are irresistible to me. I am drawn to you in a total trust. I give myself to you willingly. You are sweet, devotion never fails. You view me with a passion, heart. You are love me dear no matter what. You we been that were right from the start. Those are just a few reasons why I'll always love you like I do will have a lifetime full of love and it will happen because of you. I love your lips. I love you the way the move when you speak. I love your eyes. I love you the way they look are right through me. I love your mind. I love you the way it thinks. I love your heart. I love you the way it bites every day is a new beginning, a new chapter to be right in. I could like to write chapter with you. Good afternoon, my love. Text me on this WhatsApp button if you see this to inspiration me to of what am when I write every morning when I wake up. The first thing that hits my mind is you. I close my eyes and pictures your beautiful face in my eyes so I can start the day full of positive. I feel lucky to have you in my life. You are a pleasing that I will be thank to Allah for the rest of my life with you. Please, everyone, my darling, everyone, my fans, please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Everyone for my request, please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Everyone for my request. Okay.